morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. Take out page number 10 of your books. We will do second half of the reading of this chapter. Page number 10. Yes, Farah.
Teacher, can I read?
Yes, you can. Just give me a second.
ठीक है teacher.
Ibrahim, Arshaman, and Fatma, you are supposed to turn on your cameras, please. Okay, Mubarak, start the reading. Okay, first half was about two families. They are quarreled about with each other on their businesses or something. Now, let's see how they meet up. Are the families going to meet up? If so, where? After reading this paragraph, we will come to know how they are going to meet up with each other and where they are going to meet. Lucy is going to search for her cousin Alice. So she will send her a mail. Now let's see what happens. Yes, beta.
ठीक है teacher. For a day or two,
एक मिनट मुबारक.
Lucy searched.
1 minute. Yes, Fatma.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर.
वालेकुम सलाम.
टीचर मेरी बुक आ गई है.
आ गई है. चलिए.
टीचर आपको दिखा दूं?
हाँ दिखाएं. Take out this page number 10 and show me. ठीक है. हाँ, yes. It is the first page. Take out now page number 10.
Can I read now, teacher?
Yes, you can start reading.
ठीक है teacher. For a day or two, Lucy searched for her cousin's name in the telephone book for the town where Alice used to live, but without success. Then she had an idea. Perhaps she had the email address for her cousin's friend Gracie. She switched on her computer and browsed through her address book. Nothing. Then she scrolled down and noticed a folder called Friends. Yes, there it was.
Gracie, yes, that is her email address of Gracie. Gracie is, who is Gracie? Gracie is Alice's friend. So when Lucy failed to get Alice's email address, then she found out her friend Gracie and she found out her email address. Now she is going to email her to ask about Alice.
Lucy's first email bounced back to her, so she tried again.
So her first email bounced back to her. That means she failed to email her first. Then she tried again. What happened next? Now this is how you send a mail. This is given subject. Hi Gracie, date. You write date. From means who is sending the email, to whom you are sending the email. Email कौन send कर रहा है, that will be your address, and to whom you are sending address, that person's email address will be written here. Now she is writing, hi Gracie. Read Mubarak.
Okay, teacher. Hi, Gracie. If you have my cousin Alice email address, please could you forward this email to her? Thanks. Love, Lucy. Dear Alice, where are you? Dear Alice, where are you? Please send me your email address. Hope you had a good birthday. Love, Lucy.
Now she had written this email to her cousin Alice through Gracie. Now Gracie will forward this email to Alice and they will be in contact with each other. Now let's see what happens next. So this is the pattern
Okay,
of how
teacher.
you send email. Now take out page number 11.
The next
Wait,
day,
wait,
Lucy
wait,
received.
wait.
टीचर
Bara, do the reading from here 2 days later.
ठीक है टीचर. 2 days later at super after a few private phone calls, Mom suggested a trip for the following Sunday. Lucy wants to visit an old friend she hasn't seen for some time. We could all meet up for lunch. I'm pretty busy on Sunday, said Dad. Please, Dad, pleaded Lucy. She and I were such good friends. Okay, agreed Dad. Which friend is it? Anyway, I've met some of them. I'll tell you about her in the car on the way to the lunch, said Lucy.
Okay,
Then
now
teacher,
what happened next 2 days later at a supper, a few private phone calls. Mom suggested a trip for the following Sunday. Lucy wants to visit old friends she hasn't seen for time. We could all meet up for lunch. Now Lucy is trying to make their parents understand that she wants to go on a meetup with her friends. उन्होंने उसने नहीं बताया that she's going to meet Alice, but she says she's my old friend and I wanted to meet her. And her dad says, I am busy on Sunday, I can't take you. So she says she's my very good old friend. So the dad agrees. Okay, I will go with you. He asks which friend it is. Did I met her sometimes or not? She says just come with me in the car. I will tell you on the lunch who she is. अब लूसी ने बताया नहीं है where they are going or whom she is going to meet and why he is taking her dad with her. So look at this question number 4. Come to question number 4. Come to question number 4. Here are given 5 possible endings. क्योंकि हमें वहाँ पे चैप्टर में एंडिंग नहीं बताई हुई. They are just going in a car for lunch. वहाँ पे जाके what happens? We are not given that. So there are 5 possible endings. I'm going to read all of them, and you will tell me which should be the correct ending of this chapter. In the car, Lucy told Dad that they were going to meet Alice and her family and become angry, refused to go and drove the family home back. Two families met and had lunch together. Dad was angry and refused to speak to Uncle Ed. Two families met and had lunch together. The conversation was difficult at first, but became easier. At the end of lunch, two families promised to meet again. On the way home, Dad thanked Lucy for organizing the lunch party. अब इसमें से कौन सी ending आपको best लग रही है for this chapter? Which ending is the best? Yes.
Teacher number 3rd.
Number 3, the two families met and had lunch together. Okay, that is your answer. That is also correct. You think this should be the answer? Okay. Yes, Fatma.
Teacher,
Okay.
हमने उसे साइकिल करना है.
अभी एंड पे बताती हूँ what you have to do. अभी नहीं करना कुछ. Yes, Fatma. I can't hear you, Fatma.
Teacher, the third one.
Yes, the third one could be the good possible ending. Okay. Ibrahim, you tell me. Which is the possible ending of this chapter from all of these 5?
The third one.
Third one. Okay, you will circle the third one because this is the possible ending. Two families met and had lunch. The conversation was difficult at first but became easier. Circle it. Now come to question number 3. In question number 3, we have to find the phrases from exercise 2 to complete these sentences. First word of each letter is given. First letter of each word is given. Look at number 1. Number 1 is when you dash through documents, you look through them quickly. Which letter starts from B in exercise 2? Browse. Yes. Yes, Ibrahim?
Miss Browse.
Yes, browse. BROWSE. यहाँ पे लेटर कंप्लीट नहीं आएंगे. You can write above it. BROWSE. Browse. हाँ जी. Yes, right. Mubara, you have written it right. Next is you keep the names and email addresses of your friends in your dash. What it is? Yes, Ibrahim.
Address book.
Yes, very good. Address book. You will write address book. Number 3, when you dash up or down on a computer screen, you move the document up or down so that you can read it. What you do? Ji, Ibrahim?
Miss Scroll.
Yes, scroll. Very good. SCROLL, scroll. When you scroll up or down on a computer screen, you move the document up or down. Scroll, SCROLL. Fourth one, you keep a group of emails in a dash on your computer. कोई और बता सकता है? You keep a group of emails in a dash on your computer. It starts from F. Yes, Fatma.
Teacher, file.
Folder. Folder. Write folder in it. Number 5. If an email cannot be delivered, it dash and returns to the sender. B and B से start हो रहे हैं दोनों words. You can look at the words from exercise 2. You can reread exercise 2 and see कि कौन से words हैं. When the email is not delivered, it is returned back to you. What does we call it? Yes, Mubara?
Teacher, bounce back.
Yes, bounce back. Very good. You will write bounce back. Next is you can dash an email which you receive to another person. Yes,
Forward.
forward. Yes, you can forward the email like we forward the messages. So you can also forward the email to another person. FORWARD, forward. Number 7, the dash on an email includes the sender's detail and the time sent. Ibrahim have done it all, hai na? Okay, what it is?
Miss, I've done some. I've not done all of it.
Okay. Okay, what it is on seventh plan? Do you know that?
Header.
Header, yes. Header. On exercise 7, on exercise 2, page number 10, look at that box. उस पे लिखा हुआ है, that is the sender's detail, that is header. Last one. When you receive an email, it goes into the dash on your computer. Yes. Fatma?
Teacher, inbox.
Yes, inbox. Write inbox in it. Okay, now come to this question number. ठीक है, done. Mubara. You have 2 homeworks to do that are this question number 5. Underline the words, different verbs in the story that show how people spoke. For example, asked. After you have to reread the chapter again and you have to find out different verbs in the story that show how people are talking. For example, यहाँ पे उन्होंने दिया कि ask. उसी की तरह you will read the chapter and you will say you will see what words are what other words are used. For example, on page number 10, look at this paragraph. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ later that evening Lucy wanted to ask. Yes, मुबर्रा.
टीचर ने कितने ढूंढने हैं?
As many as you can find. Maximum 4 or 5. Maximum 4 or 5 words should be.
ठीक है टीचर. टीचर
हाँ जी.
उन्हें अपने कॉपी पे लिखना है.
Yes, then you will have to write them on copy. I am giving you another example. एक example तो उन्होंने दी हुई है ना कि ask. Ask is a form of verb. यहाँ पे है next. Stammer. Can you find the word stammer? Stammer है, pleaded है. In this on page number 11, the word is pleaded, stammer. These are some of the words, okay? But you have to find it other words by yourself. Now look at this question number 6. Write your preferred ending for the story. Try to use at least 5 of these verbs to show how people spoke. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने ये जो हमने स्टोरी की प्रेफर एंडिंग हमने सजेस्ट किया ये लिखनी है, थर्ड वाली, ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू राइट अ स्टोरी ऑफ योर ओन बाय यूजिंग दीज वर्ड्स. ओके, दिस इज योर होमवर्क, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6.